The spa opens with the gentle glow of lantern light, casting soft golden reflections across wooden floors, polished smooth with age. The air is filled with the calming fragrance of lavender and camellia oil, a scent that instantly quiets the mind. A young woman dressed in a light kimono walks gracefully into the spa room, where a therapist bows softly in greeting. She lies down on a bamboo massage table covered with a fresh white linen cloth, her breathing already beginning to slow. Warm herbal oil is poured gently into the therapist's hands, the liquid shimmering in the candlelight before being spread across her shoulders. The soft, gliding strokes move down her back, creating a delicate shine on her skin as the tension slowly melts away. The sound of water dripping from a bamboo fountain blends with the faint notes of a Japanese flute playing in the background. The therapist moves with steady rhythm, pressing gently at key pressure points, then releasing with smooth, flowing motions that leave her muscles lighter and free. Her arms are stretched and massaged, her hands opened and relaxed, her fingertips touched with soothing care. The warmth of the oil spreads through her body, reaching deep into tired muscles and calming the restless energy of the day. Outside, the sound of cicadas hums softly in the night air, joining the music of the water and the soft whispers of cloth moving. The session ends with a heated towel gently wrapped across her back, sealing the warmth inside her body. The therapist bows once more as she slowly rises, her face peaceful, her spirit quiet, her entire body renewed. The Japanese spa massage leaves her in perfect harmony, surrounded by stillness